And for more on the most severe outbreak in Shanghai, we're bringing our reporter Chen Tong, and she's reporting from home where her compound is under closed-off management at the moment. Chen Tong, so what are the highlights of the news conference held by Shanghai authorities this morning?
Well, the city government said this morning that the total COVID patients being reported during this round of COVID-19 outbreak has reached more than 130,000. And of course, most of them are asymptomatic infections. And there is only one patient with severe symptoms, and that patient is now under treatment. And the city will continue to conduct citywide PCR tests or antigen tests today. And also starting tomorrow, the biggest quarantine site in Shanghai, that's in the National Exhibition and Convention Center, also where the China International Import Expo is being held every year, will start to receive patients, and that site will provide more than 50,000 beds, and that will definitely help the city to prevent further virus spread in communities, Tony.
Right, I saw online that people in Shanghai are having some problems, actually a lot of problems in terms of getting daily necessities. You are in quarantine, you are in closed-off management right now. How is your life?
Well, I have been in home quarantine for more than a week. Where I live is the Puxi area, which refers to the western part of the Huangpu River. We're scheduled to end our close-off management on April 5th. But as the COVID situation in Shanghai is getting severe, there's no further information on when our closed-off management will end. Well, of course, as you mentioned, the biggest problem for us now at home is buying foods. Every morning, all of us rushed onto all types of apps to buy food, but not every time could succeed, not to mention the elderly who are not familiar with buying food online. Well, the biggest problem of that is not necessarily because of the shortage of food supplies, but because of the shortage of delivery drivers. Well, we have only more than 10,000 delivery drivers who are able to travel around the city to deliver food. But imagine we have 25 million residents in Shanghai. But there are some efforts being made or on the way in Shanghai. For example, the city said it will allow more delivery drivers to go out to their communities to help deliver food from shops to our neighborhoods. And of course, there are also some delivery platforms such as Meituan, which have put some autonomous driving cars to help deliver foods from the community gate to each building. So all of these efforts are being made, and we will see whether the situation will develop in the future, Tony.
Indeed, Doris. Thank you very much. Chen Tong reporting from Shanghai, and we hope everything will get better soon there.